Salibonani njalo, ngiyalamukela ku speakndebele.com. Igama lami nguNtando. That's another very big welcome to speakndebele.com. My name is Ntando. Right. Today we're going to begin a new series called Mastering the Ndebele Tongue. And in this series, we'll be exploring the unique and what I think are absolutely beautiful isiNdebele sounds. And in today's lesson, we're going to start by exploring the Q sounds and its variations. So you've got Q, QH, and GQ. And I'm going to be teaching you how to make those sounds. So let's get to it. Let's begin with Q. Now, the way you make the Q sound is you attach the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth just before your top front teeth, and then you release it quickly into the Q click sound. So let's try it together, shall we? Okay. The Q sound goes something like this. One more time. Very good. Now let's try some words with the Q click sound. Now note that it's a very sharp and crisp and clear click, okay? So we've got order, to knock, order. Iqatha, that's a chunk or a piece of something. Iqatha. Abuza, abuza, that's a kiss. Iqanda, an egg. And ambamanga, ambamanga. Right, that's to lie. All right, let's move on to the QH sound. Now, the QH sound is very similar to the Q sound, except this time, when you release into the Q sound, you're going to breathe into the sound to produce that QH sound. Okay, now I'm going to say the Q sound and the QH just so that you can hear the difference. I'll do it one more time. Listen very carefully. The Q sound is very crisp and clear. Then the QH, okay? So you breathe into that Q sound to produce the QH sound. All right. Now, a couple of words. Amabala, alomsindo ka are kuta. Sorry, kuta. That's to shake or to shiver when you're cold. Kuta or scared. All right. Kenya. Kenya ngawe, to boast, strut, swagger, to be proud or really proud of something. Kenya ngawe. I'm really proud of you. All right. Ikude, a cock or a rooster. Kachi, that's a delicious savory aroma from cooking. Kachi. All right. And Ikawe. Ikawe is a hero, a warrior, or a brave one. Ikawe. Very good. Let's move on to GQ. Now, how to make the GQ sound? Now, in the same way as Q, you first attach the tongue to the top front part of the roof of your mouth, and then you release quickly into that Q sound. But this time, you're going to make a deep, heavy grunt into the Q sound to produce the sound. You got it? Let's try it together. Okay? All right? So you grunt heavily into the Q sound to get that sound. All right. Let's explore a few words with the sound. Amabala alomsindo ka. All right. You've got ugoza. That's a tall person. Ugoza. Isigqili is a slave. Isigqili. All right. Gqibela, to bury under. Gqibela. Umgqomo, a drum, a deep container. Umgqomo. Okay. And gqekeza, to break in or a robbery. Gqekeza. All right. Very good. Now, there you have it. Those are your Q sounds, the Q variations. Don't you just love it? And okay. Now, look out in our future lessons for the X click sounds, the C click sounds, the cheek and teeth, L, sh, and ch. And you've got our softened sounds, as well as our N variations. We'll be doing these in future lessons. Now, don't miss out, okay? Don't forget to subscribe or register for our free Ndebele 101 course, and subscribe to us on YouTube to make sure you stay up to date on all our lessons. And we want to be your friends, so friend us on Facebook. Don't forget to visit us at speakndebele.com for more updates. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you next time. Yimi Ntando. Bye-bye.